Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about the voltage divider rule. Okay, the voltage divider rule or the voltage divider. Here we have two or more than two resistors, minimum two resistors, and we have a potential difference across it. Now suppose the voltage drop across this resistance R1 is V1, across this resistance R2 is V2. We have a total voltage of V is equal to V1 plus V2. Now here we have to find out what is the potential difference, that is what is V2. We have to find out the value of V2. The value of V2 is actually R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VR. I will derive this equation now. So to know the potential difference across this resistance, we have to know what is the current. Because we have the value of resistance, we need to know the current. Then by using V is equal to IR equation, we can find the potential difference. Then you will know the current and resistance. So to find the current, we have to take the total resistance and the total potential difference, then we can find the current. So using the same equation, V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R. So here the total current is total potential difference is V, so and total resistance is R1 plus R2. So this is the current. Now the current will be same for this resistance and this resistance. So to know the potential difference of across this resistance, we use the same equation, V is equal to IR. Here V2 is equal to what is the value of I? V by R1 plus R2. What is the resistance? R is R2, which gives me V2 is equal to R2 by R1 plus R2 into V. So practically, if you would like to see, suppose I have a resistance here. This will be the V out. I have to check the potential difference across this resistance. So I have V is equal to 5 volts, R1 is equal to, let's say R1 is equal to 470 kilo ohms, and R2 is equal to 1 kilo ohm. So if I do the calculation, then V out is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into V, which is 1 kilo ohm divided by 470 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm into 5 volt, which will give me around 0.01 volts. So my multimeter reading should show 0.01 volts. I'll use this board, prototype board. This is called, actually this board is called a breadboard. See the two resistance. I put the power supply. Positive, the positive terminal would go in the 470 kilo ohm and the negative in the 1k. This is 1k, this is 470k. So if I use the multimeter to check the potential difference across the 1k resistance, I should get 0.01 volt. It's 0.01 volt. In the same way, if the potential drop across this is 0.01 and if it is 5, then I should get almost 5 volts here. See, it's around 5 volts. It is because the drop in potential should sum up to the total potential difference which I have in the entire circuit. Thank you for watching, and this is a small video just to tell you what the importance of voltage divider is. In the next video I will be making a circuit. It's a small project. Thank you.